Welcome, everyone, to Kanerika's podcast, The Digital Shift. Today, we're plunging into a topic that's, it's rapidly transforming how businesses operate. AI agent builders. You know that perennial challenge, right? Just too much work, maybe not enough people, and those pesky internal systems that just seem to refuse to talk to each other. It's a scenario businesses face again and again. But what if there was a powerful new approach, something using intelligent automation that could finally, maybe, break that cycle, leveraging the best of what today's advanced AI can offer? That's precisely what we're going to explore today. And joining me is our expert, who always does a fantastic job of cutting through the complexity, making even advanced tech accessible and, really insightful.
Thank you. It's great to be here to dive in. Our mission today is pretty clear. We're going to unpack exactly what AI agent builders are. We'll explore their diverse capabilities, discuss how they're fundamentally transforming business operations, and crucially, highlight the critical factors for choosing and implementing them effectively. The goal really is to give you a comprehensive yet concise understanding of this, game-changing technology and its immense impact. We're pulling insights from the latest advancements we've been looking at.
Okay, let's unpack this then. These core pain points for businesses are so relatable. It's that struggle with routine, repetitive tasks that just drain resources. And the persistent issue of siloed operations where data and processes just don't flow seamlessly. For years, we've sort of dreamed of automation that truly understands and acts. Now we're seeing the rise of AI agents, which in essence function like these highly specialized digital employees. They never sleep, rarely make mistakes. They're kind of the always-on, always-learning workforce many organizations have been waiting for.
Yeah, and what's fascinating here is how AI agent builders make this vision a tangible reality. At its core, an AI agent builder is basically a no-code AI platform. It empowers businesses to create intelligent automation without needing, extensive programming skills. The real insight here isn't just the no-code part, though that's big. It's how this democratizes AI. It allows business users themselves to design and deploy sophisticated automations instead of waiting on a specialized IT team. These tools are really designed to help companies build AI agents that can handle everything from customer service and data processing to scheduling meetings and completing complex multi-step workflows automatically. And this is where we really need to differentiate them from basic chatbots. It's a common point of confusion.
Right. People hear AI and think chatbot.
Exactly. But while a chatbot might follow a fixed script, answer predefined questions, think of it like a digital attendant following a decision tree. An AI agent is far more capable. Agents can make decisions, they learn from interactions, and importantly, they integrate with your existing business tools, your CRM, your ERP systems. They handle complex workflows autonomously, adapting as needed. That's a significant leap beyond the fixed paths of traditional chatbots. They're not just following instructions, they're interpreting, acting, and, evolving. And this capability isn't just theoretical, it's driving massive value. McKinsey, for example, reported that generative AI could add up to $4.4 trillion in value each year across industries. That's through automation and these intelligent systems. So it really underscores the massive potential impact of these intelligent adaptive systems.
Okay, here's where it gets really interesting for me. Knowing what they are is one thing, but how do these AI agents actually work? What are the core features, the components that truly drive their impact and deliver that huge value you just mentioned? What's under the hood making them so powerful?
That's a critical point, yeah, because the power absolutely lies in their underlying architecture and features. Let's look at a few key building blocks that enable these agents to make such a difference based on what we've been seeing. First, almost all these platforms include a visual workflow builder. These are typically drag-and-drop interfaces. They let non-technical users design automation workflows without writing a single line of code.
Makes it accessible.
Totally. You visually connect different actions, triggers. It makes it incredibly intuitive to see how your agent will handle tasks. The real insight here, I think, is how these interfaces don't just simplify automation, they actually democratize it. Imagine a marketing team building complex campaigns or HR automating onboarding without needing a developer. That's a revolutionary shift in speed and agility for many businesses.
Right. Cuts down bottlenecks.
Precisely. Then there's multi-platform integrations. This is absolutely critical. An agent is only as useful as the systems it can communicate with, Enterprise AI agent platforms connect with thousands of business apps through APIs, application programming interfaces. Basically, digital messengers allowing software to talk.
So they can actually do things in other software.
Exactly. They can pull data from your CRM, send emails, update spreadsheets, trigger actions across your entire tech stack. For example, some leading platforms like Lindy, they mention over 7,000 integrations across more than 1,600 apps. It's huge.
This really stresses the connectivity aspect. It shows how agents bridge those disconnected systems you mentioned earlier. It's like finally getting all your digital employees who've been locked in separate rooms to actually talk and collaborate on a massive scale.
Eliminates that swivel chair work. Copying from one screen to another. Exactly that. It eliminates that entirely. Another vital capability is memory and context management. Modern AI platforms give agents this ability to remember past interactions, maintain context. This means your agents can have more meaningful, ongoing relationships with customers. They remember preferences, previous issues.
So it's not starting from scratch every time.
Right. It leads to much more effective internal processes and a far better customer experience. Truly personalized interactions become possible. And finally, it's important to mention human-in-the-loop controls. Smart platforms let you set up approval workflows, so humans review certain decisions before the agent acts.
Ah, okay. So oversight is built in for critical things.
Yes, this hybrid approach is crucial for building trust. It gives you confidence that important tasks get proper human oversight. It balances the incredible speed of automation with essential control and, quality assurance. Critical decisions always have a human sign-off. Maintains accountability.
That's a huge landscape of options and features. So if a business is listening now and thinking, okay, this sounds great, but which type of builder is right for my needs?
Yeah.
What's the range of options they should be considering? Because it sounds like one size definitely doesn't fit all here.
You're absolutely right. It's a wide spectrum. Generally, we see a few main categories emerging. You've got your no-code AI agent platforms. These are ideal for, say, small businesses or teams wanting quick results without much technical complexity. Very user-friendly, drag-and-drop, pre-made templates.
Quick wins.
Pretty much. Then you have developer-focused frameworks, things like LangChain or CrewAI. These are powerful open-source toolkits. They give technical teams full granular control over agent development, limitless customization for really complex multi-agent systems.
For the tech teams who want deep control.
Exactly. And lastly, there are enterprise AI platforms. Think Salesforce, Agentforce, or Microsoft Copilot Studio. These are built for large organizations. They offer advanced security, compliance features, seamless integration with existing enterprise software, handling thousands of users and complex workflows at scale.
Okay, that really clarifies the landscape. So to bring these concepts more to life, let's look at some real-world applications. How might specific purpose-built agents tackle diverse business challenges, maybe drawing from what we at Kanerika see in practice?
Absolutely. We at Kanerika focus heavily on developing custom AI agents and machine learning solutions that directly address these real business problems.
Well,
We see numerous examples, both from out there and from our own work, of how purpose-built agents tackle specific workplace challenges across different industries. And crucially, each with built-in security and intelligence that work seamlessly with current systems. For instance, we have Alan. He's our legal document summarizer. Alan reads through complex legal documents, contracts, case files, and creates short, precise summaries. Saves hours of reading time, all secure and confidential.
huge time saver for legal teams.
Immense. Then there's Susan, our PII redactor. PII being personally identifiable information. Susan automatically finds and removes sensitive personal data from documents. This is critical for ensuring compliance with regulations like GDPR and IPA.
Compliance is key there.
Non-negotiable. And for document quality, we offer Mike, our document accuracy checker. Mike spots math errors, identifies incorrect data entries, flags formatting issues in documents. He doesn't just flag it. He explains what's wrong and suggests fixes. Boosts confidence in your data, speeds up corrections. These agents really show how those capabilities we talked about, integration, intelligence, workflow, translate into tangible business impact, legal efficiency, data compliance, quality control.
So with all these options and these impressive capabilities, it becomes really clear that choosing the right AI agent builder is a critical decision. But for a business owner listening, the immediate question might be, okay, this sounds powerful, but how do I avoid choosing the wrong solution? Or one that doesn't scale with my unique challenges? What are the absolute non-negotiables when they're evaluating these platforms?
That's a really important question. Not every builder fits every need, right?
Yeah.
A startup's priorities are different from a large enterprise needing strict compliance.
Yeah.
The key is distilling those critical factors for evaluation. And based on what we're seeing, there are a few non-negotiables. Firstly, ease of use and setup. It's paramount. Many teams just don't have dedicated developers. So a no-code builder with visual editors, templates, guided onboarding, that helps non-technical users get started quickly.
Faster time to value.
Exactly. Faster value, broader adoption. Secondly, integrations and connectivity. Absolutely non-negotiable. An agent's utility is directly tied to its ability to connect with your existing systems. CRM, help desk, databases, APIs. You need to look for platforms with robust, built-in connectors. Make the agent feel like a native part of your tech ecosystem.
Otherwise, it's just an island.
Precisely, severely limiting its impact. Next, security and compliance. This has to be a top priority, especially with sensitive data. You need features like role-based access, data encryption, comprehensive audit logs, and clear evidence of compliance with standards like GDPR or SOC2. These aren't just technical checkboxes. They're crucial for risk management, maintaining trust.
The trust is huge, yeah.
Absolutely. Lastly, observability and analytics. Also essential. You need to know what your agent is doing, how well it's performing, where it might be failing, and, most importantly, the actual business value it's delivering. Detailed logs, error reports, user feedback capture, intuitive dashboards vital for continuous improvement and measuring success.
That's incredibly helpful for making informed decisions. So, once a business has chosen a builder, what does that journey actually look like? Going from just an idea to a fully functional, impactful AI agent. Can you walk us through the practical steps, the kind of iterative process involved?
Yeah, it's definitely a phased and iterative approach. It's not a one-and-done setup. It really starts with strategic thinking. So the very first step is to plan the agent. You need to begin with a clear understanding of the specific task you want it to handle. Define your goals clearly, establish success metrics, faster responses, reduced manual work, better customer satisfaction, whatever it is. This is also where you decide if a no-code or developer tool is the right fit for your team and the task.
Start with the why and what's.
Exactly. Once planned, you need to map workflows and actions. This involves thinking through the logical steps the agent must follow, define which actions need tool calls, creating help desk tickets, sending emails, and identify any need for maybe multi-agent orchestration in complex cases where several agents might collaborate. Crucially, then you design prompts and guardrails. Prompts are the instructions shaping how the agent behaves.
Giving a clear direction.
Very clear. Rating unambiguous instructions, providing specific examples, setting boundaries for what it can and cannot do, it's vital. Guardrails help control tone, prevent risky outputs, ensure it stays within ethical and operational bounds. After this design phase, you test and iterate. This is a continuous process, really. Run tests before deployment, check accuracy, reliability, simulate real tasks. Monitor failures, collect user feedback.
Like quality control.
Precisely. Ensuring it delivers predictable performance. Once tested and refined, you deploy and monitor, often starting small, in a controlled setting. Use those analytics and observability tools to track success rates, cost per action, user satisfaction. Review logs for ongoing improvement. Finally, you iterate and measure ROI. Continuously refresh data, fine-tune prompts based on new insights, expand integrations. Ensure the agent keeps improving, adapting, and delivering measurable value against its costs. It's an ongoing journey of refinement.
This really brings it all together. It highlights that these AI agent builders aren't just, a fleeting trend. It feels like a fundamental shift toward more efficient, intelligent, and productive business operations. It's about empowering teams and organizations in ways we've maybe only dreamed of until recently, turning abstract potential into concrete operational reality.
Yeah, and if we connect this to the bigger picture, we at Kanerika are entirely focused on exactly that, on AI agent development and machine learning solutions that genuinely help companies work better. We serve diverse industries, building systems that cut costs, boost efficiency, deliver clear insights. Our custom AI agents and generative AI tools, they're designed to solve real business problems, eliminate delays, improve workflows, foster sustainable growth. We build systems that truly work in your business environment, making operations more flexible, teams more productive, and organizations ready for what's next, helping you stay ahead in this rapid digital shift.
And maybe a final thought for you listening. As you look at your own workflows, where could a digital employee, like an AI agent, create the most significant shift for your team or your organization? Where could it transform a bottleneck into a seamless, automated process? That's definitely something worth thinking about.